Yes, you can hear my real voice. It came from this voice recorder.
Hello guys! Today in this episode, I will share with you new ESP32 project. Voice recorder you can make easily. I show every detail step by step from scratch to product. Before continuous, like and share this video and make you sure hit that subscribe button. Let's begin. If you are first time in this channel, must be check my other projects. Link in description. In past, I shared a project like this. It's recording sound in piece RAM. It's give to us limited record time cause of not in memory. In this time, I record voice directly SD card and give it to us large memory for recording, like endless. First step, let's look components. I am using ESP32S3 for a microcontroller. INMP441 I2S microphone, tactile button, 3.3 volt LED, SD card reader, and SD card. Let's bring together. Firstly, place it SD32 dev board. I used only one side. After, INMP441 I2S microphone, LR pin goes to GND. Microphone is a monotype, so I guaranteed with this connection. WS goes to GPIO5. SCK goes to GPIO4. SD goes to GPIO6. GND goes to GND, and VDD goes to 3.3V. Next, SD card reader. CS pin goes to GPIO10. SCK pin goes to GPIO12. MOSI pin goes to GPIO11. MISO pin goes to GPIO13. GND goes to GND, and VCC go to 5V. Next, button. One leg goes to GND. Other pin goes to GPIO8. And last component, LED. Negative leg goes to GND. Positive leg goes to GPIO3. As you can see, all connection on the screen. This is look like too chaotic and ugly, but recording quality like a professional. I need a PCB. I will handle it in next episode. Next step, Arduino. If you're already installed, skip that part. Go to the link. Download Arduino IDE last release and install. And next step, we need a ESP32 board for our Arduino. IDE didn't come with that board tools. Otherwise, we can't compile this code for ESP32 development board. Go to the link. Copy that. After, turn to Arduino. Open Preference. Paste in here. After search in Boards ESP32 from left on the Arduino IDE. And click to install. We are use that boards. It's take a while. We'll be patient. Let continuous with code section. Actually, you don't need to change anything in script. Maybe redefine pin setup with your board. Set your tool configuration. I'm done with you, I'm done with you, I'm done with you. After, click to upload. Source file release on my GitHub. Go to the link and download. Let's review the project. It is very easy to use. I have a button to control the recording process. When I click the button, recording starts. When the recording starts, the LED turns on. If you want to stop recording, click the button again. When the recording stops, the LED turns off. I record the audio in WAV format. This format is uncompressed with a 48,000 sample rate and 32-bit length. In this way, 1 second of recording takes 96 kilobytes. The file gets a name like rec plus the file number. Every new file increases the number by 1. I wanted to give it the time and date, but adding an RTC module means more components, more cables, and more management. We don't need that. Also, you can see the recording process output on the serial monitor. If you change a few settings in the script, you can use it with any ESP32 board.
You can hear my voice from iPhone microphone. Also, you can hear my voice from voice recorder. And that's all. Write in comment what do you want to see in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in next episode.